All right, we're over here at the walker frame, and before we do anything, let's lock the walker by pushing down on each one of the brakes for safety and ease of installation. So let's go ahead and grab the left side grip cover and wrap it around the left handle. So the curved edge should fit nicely around the fin that's on the inside of the handle. And then you have a little bit of an excess amount of material on this end that you can use to pull underneath and secure it firmly with the Velcro along the bottom. For positioning, it is good to have the plastic insert at the top, and the end of the grip cover should be right at the end of your handle. So this would be a well-positioned grip cover on the left side. And now we'll just do the same thing on the right side. All right, at the walker frame, we are going to install StrideTech Go onto the right handle, just past the curve of the handle. You're going to rotate the strap portion so that it wraps around the walker tube, and then go ahead and slide that back through the mount and take the screw that you took off earlier and tighten it back down. You're going to want this to be fairly secure, so there isn't a whole lot of movement where StrideTech Go is secured onto the walker frame. And then you have that pivot point, which allows the StrideTech Go unit to rotate freely. And you're going to want to position it so that the sensor window, which is this area right here, this sensor window, you want to be positioned so that it is pointed right at the user's belly button. So it's kind of going to be slightly faced up and towards the middle, so that you can read the Go on the front. And it's roughly, if you were to draw a line from the sensor window out, it would be about a 15-degree angle from the handle. And then once you have that in position, go ahead and tighten down all of the components of the mounting hardware so that StrideTech Go is secured. To properly attach the cables, you will start with the short cable, which goes to the right handle. It snaps into the top of the plastic insert, and the connection point is basically an Ethernet cord, or similar to an Ethernet cord, so it can only go in one direction. And then, since it is relatively close to the main unit, I like to wrap it around once or twice to get rid of that excess cable. And then on the right side of the StrideTech Go main unit, there is two connection points for the cables. There will be an embedded R and an L indicating the right and left side. So since this is on the right side, we are going to go ahead and snap that connector into the connection point with the R. And now we're going to take the longer cable, which will go to the left side. And what I like to do is kind of drape the cable around the front of the walker and then connect it to the left side grip cover. And then once you get close to the StrideTech Go main unit, maybe do one or two around the handle and connect that into the connection point with the L above it. And so that is how you route the cables from each one of the grip covers to the main StrideTech Go unit. And then you also are going to have these Velcro straps that are great for securing the cable down and securing the grip covers to the handles. So to do that, we're going to first slide through this channel at the top of the plastic insert on each one of the grip covers. I like to have this tab facing to the outside, and go ahead and pull it through so that it is almost to the channel on the plastic insert. Wrap that around and then just secure it firmly to the walker handles so that, again, we're not going to have any slipping or sliding around of these grip covers on the walker frame. Once StrideTech Go is properly installed onto your walker frame, to turn it on, there is a power button on the left side of the StrideTech Go unit. Go ahead and press that until you hear the hand grip start to vibrate. And make sure that you're not touching or putting weight on the grip covers until they're done with the vibration and the LED light turns on. And with that, StrideTech Go is ready to be utilized.